In this video, I'll show you how to replace an image in Canva, whether it's a background, illustration, or decoration. The process is the same. Let's start by replacing the image in this page. Go to the Elements section and search for the new image you want to use. Click and drag the new image over the old one to replace it. Canva will show you a preview, and when you release the click, the new image will be applied. If you want to adjust the position or show a specific area of the new image, double-click on it and then slide left, adjust size. Click Done to finalize the change. It's that simple. Click, drag, and replace. Try it with different images to see how easy it is.